need to run to the gas station, and it's also getting ready to rain. So I really need to hurry up. Also, another thing that happened to the car while I was not recording is I ran over something, and now this panel kind of like sticks out. So I need to get this replaced. I know this is gonna be super expensive to repair. But anyways, in my last POV, you guys told me you guys wanted to see a walk around, the outside view of the car before I start driving. So I just wanted to show y'all what the car looks like. I know I never really showed the outside of the car unless I'm doing shorts and stuff. So as y'all see, all black, black on black. I did change my emblems. I originally had black emblems, but now I am changing them back to the blue just because I feel like it gives color to the car. I also had, I guess you could call it a CSL style spoiler on the car. I took that off. Valvetronic exhaust. I know some people are wondering what kind of exhaust I have. Valvetronic muffler, full custom cat pack exhaust. Also interior, nothing really special. M Sport package, got the M Sport steering wheel along with the M Sport race seats. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a start up real quick. This is not a cold start either. And as y'all can see, I never let my car get past half. Or I try not to let my car get past half, so whenever it does get in that area, I try to start heading out to go get gas. So let's go ahead and get this going for y'all. Definitely do want to hurry up because I definitely don't want to get stuck in the storm. And it's supposed to storm, so. And like I said, I ran over something and all of a sudden that plastic piece, it just came out. So now I have to try to hold it up now. I don't know what I'm gonna do because that plastic stuff is not cheap. For all you guys that own BMWs, even under tray stuff is not cheap at all. And it also connects to the fender liner, so I have to replace the under tray and the fender liner, which is even worse. So I think I also mentioned in the last video that I'm still getting issues with the coolant. So I need to take the car back to the shop again because I don't know why this car is still talking about check coolant level. And it's actually low. I can tell there's actually a leak going on because it's low. It keeps getting lower and lower. So I got to take the car back to the shop once again. But yeah, this car just needs, like, once I get out of school, like, the car just needs a real good refresh. Like as I'm driving right now, I can hear it like like the under tray has fallen apart from the fender liner. Like even though I pushed it up, I can hear it like it fell down again. So, oh, that could have caused an accident so quick. Yeah, so I really got to get that fixed, to be honest. I know it's only gonna make the under tray worse. I'm probably just gonna like try to zip tie it up for now until I can at least get the right part so that I can make it right again. But yeah, I'm just not excited to replace that, dude. Those things are not cheap at all. Every time I hear it scrape the ground, I just pray that it doesn't fall off, because I obviously, you know, I don't want something to fly off my car and then it hits somebody else's car. That just would not be good at all. So, bro, somebody spent $7 at this pump. That's so real. Gas too high. Gas way too high. Look, y'all, $4 just to fill this up. That's crazy. I really am not excited to see how much this is gonna cost. Now we wait. I'm also gonna fix this while I'm here. All right, just like that, that's fixed. Dude, are you serious? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is nuts. $49. It's never costed that much for me to fill up my tank, ever. Got the thumbnail pictures. Probably gonna redo them again, but yep, got the thumbnail pictures. Probably gonna end this video off here though. Make sure y'all hit the like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Appreciate y'all so much for watching these videos, man, and all the new subs. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.